Hey everyone, it's Thursday morning, July 3rd, and welcome back to Capital Markets Quickie. I'm your host, Endrit Sella, here to break down yesterday's market action in just 2 minutes. Quick note before we begin, today's episode is brought to you by AMF Capital. For smart investment solutions and high-quality funds, head over to amf-capital.de. If you enjoy the podcast, please rate it wherever you're listening and make sure to subscribe if you haven't done so already. So let's get into it. Wednesday was mostly green for stocks. The Standard & Poor's 500 jumped almost 0.5% and hit a new record close at 6,277.42. The Nasdaq did even better, up more than 0.9%, also hitting a new high. Big names like Apple climbed after an analyst upgrade, and Tesla rose too, even though their sales dropped because, well, they actually made more cars than expected in the second quarter. The Dow? Pretty flat. Not much going on there. What really got people excited was trade. President Trump announced a deal with Vietnam, and that kind of boosted hopes we'll see more deals before the July 9th tariff deadline. So yeah, the market liked that, but on the flip side, the labor market gave us some gloomy vibes. ADP data showed that private employers actually cut 33,000 jobs in June. That's a big surprise. People expected almost 100,000 new jobs. And yeah, it's the first monthly job loss in over 2 years. Now everyone's waiting for Thursday's big jobs report. It could be the key to whether the Fed starts cutting rates. Experts say a July rate cut is still unlikely, but the bets are rising for September. And some are even expecting 2 cuts by then. And don't forget, Trump's One Big Beautiful Bill, yeah, that's really what it's called, is moving through Congress. It passed the Senate with a tie-breaking vote and now heads to the House. It would slash Medicaid spending, which hit insurance stocks yesterday. But with Republican infighting, a final vote could still get delayed. That's it for today's Capital Markets Quickie. I'll be back tomorrow morning with a brand new episode. Don't forget to subscribe, rate the podcast, and share it with your network. Thanks for tuning in.